This video will be about if you should buy Blizzard Mountain. In my opinion, you should buy Blizzard Mountain because it is a fun, as you can say, map to play on. And in this video, I was talking to another friend of mine while I was recording it, so it may seem a little trippy. But basically, this is like the best mountain to go to, because you can climb up it. You can see I can flip my car, but this you can go super fast down if you wanted to. And then this lake actually has like, it's not like road, you could actually like slide on it. I'm showing right here. So you can actually slide on it, which is pretty fun to do. But this isn't the only bit to the map, as you can see. It's a huge map, like everything you're seeing, all that is a part of the map. So it's a decent sized map, it's just not a huge map. So this is me going up the hill. I sadly don't make it up. There's only a few cars that could actually make it up. But this little lip right here really annoys me. So you can see, this is a difficult hill to get up. So that's why I like Blizzard Mountain, because of this hill. And there's a lot of other stuff to do. And I'm pretty sure in a second I show all the events. Any second now. Do I? Okay, I do. Just here, you can see it says Blizzard Mountain Rivals, and you can have like free roam adventure and stuff. But basically, this is all the events. Now, my favorite one is, in a second, I'll go back over it. This one, right there. That's my favorite, just because it's a small, like, track, and it's basically in this bit where, like, I guess you can call it like a trick place for, like, skiing. So all of them were events on the map, as you can see. Right there, and me circling my favorite bit. Now I'm sure you guys would like that bit too. But I'm sorry for like how there's a delay in like the mic. It's really annoying, but I can't really do anything about that. Sorry about how there's like a delay in the mic, because I can't really do anything about that, which really sucks. So as you can see, like right now, you can hear my car revving even though I'm right there, which is really annoying. So I'm gonna let you guys enjoy for the rest of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright guys, see you in the next one.